What up, everyone? Today I am in Costa Mesa at the Core Team Cruise. It's like 6:30. It's from 7 to 9. I'm early. I'm not the first one here though. I'm a little late. Ooh, they're coming in. They're coming in. All right, let's play. Which Bel Air would you choose? This honey? This baby? Well, there's quite a few Bel Airs to choose from, so I'm gonna shoot them all right now, and you make sure to comment and which one would you prefer and why. We'll film them, all of them though, like these two reds. You can't go wrong with any of them. And then you got this baby right here. This is the game of which Bel Air would you choose, folks. I like the color on that one. That's a nice color. It's like a peach. Very tough to choose. The Bel Air crew. Again, which Bel Air would you choose? Whoa. Whoops. It's classic black and white, boy. That's nice right there. So far we got 4 to choose from. I'll shoot them down the line once they park, just so you can have a final look. Look at this baby right here, silver and black. This is Raiders I've ever seen. Ooh, I like the hood on this one though. Look at that. Look at that. I'm sure all you Bel Air fans know the years. Comment and please tell everyone and myself which cars or what years. These gentlemen, I'll try to ask them, but I'm gonna let them be. Whoa, look at this one. A wagon. I like it. Which Bel Air would you choose? That's the name of this game. Which Bel Air would you choose? That's really, it's got little flames in it even. Not bad, folks. Not bad. Look at, they're lining it up perfect. Whoa, like. Just those 5 right there are impressive. Here we go, folks. We already had a quick look at this. Let's keep looking at it. They're all lining up. Oh, look at the front. That didn't even do no justice. Look at the other side. Oh man, look at, watch out, Pooch. Got up. Ooh, look at this Bel Air with the spoke rims. I mean the spoke tires. So it's all a preference on what you like, you know what I'm saying? But that's mean right there. We really haven't shot no backs. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Right next to it we have this bad boy right here. How many are there? There's like 10? I didn't even know this was the Bel Air edition. But look at that. That's an impressive lineup. Which one would you choose? You got this bad boy coming through. Man. You know, after they get parked, I'll tell you which one I would pick. I mean, you can't go wrong with any of them. Look at this red one. That's like a dark red, like a deep red, very deep. Indeed. Ooh. By the way, they sound and smell clean as hell, folks. All of them. Woo! Okay. All right. That completes this Bel Air pull-in. And let's do a walk down the line just to get you a sense of where you're going to pick from. All right. You want this blue one? You want this red one, right? You want the gray one? You have choice number 1. You have a choice number 2. Remember, we saw them all drive in. If you need to go back to the video to get a better look, this gray one, the blue one, did a little minor fixes, nothing major. And then this nice black one. This baby's nice. Ooh, he started up for us. He's just tweaking the parking, that's all. Then we got the orange one. The nice flames. Look at that. I like this. Good morning, sir. I love your flames.
Thank you.
Look at a little touch. Nice. Look at they're lining up. Alright, let's continue to show you all of them. Another black one. The battle of the blacks. You have one in silver and you have one with white. Any Bel Air fans, remember, comment, tell me what year. This is called Beast, the 1955. Oh, thanks. You don't have to, but thank you. Oh, look at that, the timeless machine. Excuse me, folks. The Beast, all right. And then the last two are the two first red ones we saw pull in. Man, which one would you pick? Well, let's go around and let's show you guys the back end. Whoa, look at that lineup. That's impressive. Look at the lights. This is pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty nice. All right, let's continue. Man, they all seem to be in the mid-50s, huh? Like the Bel Air Club, it says, oh, okay, we're going to tag them on the Bel Air Club on Instagram. You guys should follow them. 55, 56, 57. So I imagine these are all a mix of that. So, folks, I'm going to have to, look at that. Oh, those two that are black and white, black and silver. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Seeing the back ends is necessary for this tough decision we have coming, folks. Tough decision. Which Bel Air would you choose? Whoa. There's just like, hold on real quick. That's what you heard. Anyway, we're gonna finish the shoot. Would you look at that? I love the two tones. It's very, for lots of words, rad. Yeah, two tones are cracking. But then you have the solid. That's that deep red I saw earlier. And then the last one. Wow. Two tones. Okay, folks. I am going to have to, let's show you the one I pick. Let's show you the hoods. I mean the roofs. One of my favorite colors is red. So I'm just gonna tell you right off the bat, it's gonna be one of these red ones. I'm not sure which one though. Let's look. Remember, tell me which ones you would pick. That'd be cool to hear and why. We'll show you the engines too of each ones. Oh, this one, the first one. He must be the captain. I just love the red. And then let's look at the red guts. Oh, see? Red on red, baby. Alright. Let's go around and show you the engines real quick. Oh no, you're fine. It's your vehicle. I am just a guest. Wow, look at all that. Show all the engines. Alright, we have some gentlemen over here. So I chose that first red one. Which one do you choose? I'm just showing all the engines now. Oh, that's pretty cool right there. I like that. Again, that black one with the rims. Pretty sporty. And then these gentlemen still working on their car. Look how simple it looks. I think I could work on this.
And then what you can do is you can take it off the sender and you can ground it.
Another one. I'm not going to interrupt them. They're working on their rides. All right, folks. That's the last of it. Let's get one last look at this engine and then go get other cars. Whoa.
Coil packs are down underneath the radio.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, man. That engine has me double thinking. Do I want that one now? Well, that's it, folks. Pick which Bel Air you like. Tell me why. Tell me the year. And let's have fun with it. Comment, talk about it in the comments, and enjoy it. Thank you for this episode of Pick Your Ride. Well, that's the title I'm working with. But anyway, that's the new type of shoot that I want to do for YouTube. I'm going to shoot different type of cars, but preferably the same one. But sometimes I'm going to mix it up, and then you tell me which one you like the most and why. Thank you. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff.